Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we have started in Monday's class, and the topic name is yes, how things were before and how things are now. So basically, in last 2 days, we discussed that how what is the basic difference between past and present, right? And we discussed it with the help of different examples. Like I showed you different things from the past time, like how the old radios look like, how the old televisions look like, how the old telephones look like. Then in last class we discussed the topic with the help of transportation, right? That how transport was in the past time and how it is now, right? So while we are studying this topic, basically this topic tells us about that with the passage of time, what are the advancements that have been made, what are different you can say that with the passage of time, different the developments have been made in every field of life, right? So if we talk about the technologies like mobile phones, laptops, television, radios, these are also advanced. Beside that, our infrastructure has been advanced, roads have been built, different buildings have been made, right? Different offices have been made, schools, universities, colleges. So all of these are the advancements or developments with time. Similarly, we also talked about the transportation. So in previous times, people prefer to walk because they don't have money, or if they have, the available transportation was the animal transports, right? So we discussed that as well. Now in today's class, we will be moving forward and we will discuss that the this difference about present and past with the help of a city. And I'll be showing you the picture of that, and you are supposed to identify that what about which city we are talking about. One of the famous city of Pakistan, and the city is known as City of Lights. Okay, I know that all of you have understood. Just raise your hands and tell me which city I'm talking about. Which city of Pakistan is known as City of Lights? Karachi. Very well done. Okay, so in today's class, we will be talking about the city of Karachi. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible. Is it? Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's start discussing without wasting any time. Karachi, also known as the City of Lights, is one of the biggest city of Pakistan, and it has, yes, the major population of Pakistan also lives here. This is known as we can call it as a professional hub as well, because every types of job facilities are over there. People from different villages, people from different small cities, they move toward Karachi city in order to get a good job, in order to get the good facilities, right? It have a very living and very advanced facilities. Karachi have big shopping malls, big universities, big colleges, schools. It has very good infrastructures. The roads are very good. See, in the picture you have seen that the roads are very good. Yes, there are some negative points as well, but we will not be discussing those negative points, because our major focus will only be on positive. Why? Because we are discussing about the advancement. So all of the advancements, all of the technologies have a positive effect on the city, right? Yeah, can you see that in the cities there is so much which have been depicting that the city has been advanced? These skyscrapering buildings, these lights beside the road, the different types of lights. Can you see that fountain? Then we have good vehicles, good transport, right? So everything, the electricity, all of these are the developments, all of these are the advancements, right? So why people, the answer of why people prefer to live in cities, or why people are migrating toward the city, is that it has huge facilities, and it gives you, the best point is that it gives you good job opportunities, right? Which are not there in other small cities. Yes, job opportunities are there in Islamabad, in Rawalpindi, Faisalabad, Lahore, everywhere, but Karachi is, because it's the biggest city, so it have more facilities, right? Similarly, uh, and the population living over there is also big. So today we will be talking about that how Karachi looks like before and how it is now, right? So I'll be showing some pictures to you that would show you the difference of that. Let's look at this first picture. This is picture number one. Look at this picture, then and now. This picture then belongs to the past time and now belongs to present. Okay, look at this picture. This picture depicts the previous Karachi. Look at this car. This is an old model, an old edition of a car, maybe Corolla or something else. And this is, yes, this is not beautiful. Well, the roads are, yes, the roads are good in the past time as well, but they are more good and more advanced in today's time, right? Then look at the buildings. The buildings were not that much, but now they have advanced. There is no greenery, no plantation, but now it has more plants, it has more greenery, it has turned to more beautiful city, right? If we talk about the vehicles over here, you cannot see that much vehicles, that much transport on the roads, that much hustle and bustle, but over here we can see that this central area, which was barren, like a barren area, has been turned into a greenish area, right? There is greenery over there, there are trees for people where people can take shade, right? So these are the changes which has been taken place under these years, over these past years, and this is how Karachi looks like now. Let's look at the next picture. In this picture, this is the second picture. This pictures tell us about, what is this? Can you identify this place? Very well done. And it looks like this in the past. See, this is not beautiful. The infrastructure is not good, and you can see people, a lot of people over here. The roads are not like this. The mazar is not built properly, right? And there is the hustle and bustle. A lot of people are there, and you can see the change. You can see the difference from the dressing of people as well. That people were not that much wealthy. They were not that much educated, they don't have that much knowledge or awareness about the world. But now this picture depicts that, because this place is being built by humans, by us. So this shows that our knowledge has been increased, right? And now we have more awareness about the things, right? Okay, let's move forward. Look at this picture. This is one of the famous building from Karachi. And if we talk about this, we do not find found a lot of traffic on the roads, right? There is no that not that much traffic. Well, the building looks same, but it has been maybe painted and renovated a bit, right? Then if we talk about this light, we do not have these road lights before, but yes, we have it now. Then the vehicles were not that much and they were not advanced, but now we have all new cars, new models, new additions, and the roads are also very good. So this is again a change in that area. Now these are few pictures from the different areas of cities. This does not mean that the changes have been made only in these areas, but these pictures have been taken. I've just shared few pictures, but the whole of the city, the whole of Karachi has been transformed, the whole of city has been changed, and major changes are in these areas, right? Now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 56. We will be doing the reading of this page as well. This is unit number 5, and the topic name is Our Past and Our Present, Then and Now. Look at the pictures of Karachi, Karachi in the past. Look at this picture. This particular area looks like this in the past. There are camels. You can see that people are using animal transport. Over here, somebody is moving on a horse. Yes, horse cart, and over here there is this camel who is dragging something. Maybe they are using it to carry some goods from one place to another, right? And then we have some rickshaws and an old model of car, right? And the buildings are not that much clean. They're not that much well constructed, right? And the people, their dresses, their way of living is very simple. Now look at this picture. Beautiful roads has been constructed. Look at the transport, they're all new models, they're all new technologies. We have skyscraping buildings, we have greenery, and everything has been changed. This is the complete transformation, right? So this is one of the picture, Karachi in the past and Karachi now, and it has changed a lot, right? Okay, how did it change? Now let's listen to Adil. Adil says that Karachi was once a small village called Karachi. Karachi was once, okay, how many of you have heard this story that Karachi was a small village and its name was Karachi? Okay, let's read it. It became a part of town. People from villages and towns from all over Pakistan moved to live in Karachi. It was a small village, then it became a town, and when it became a town, people from all of the Pakistan in different cities and different villages, they start migrating toward Karachi, and it is now a big city, and then it turns it out into a biggest city, and its name has been turned into Karachi. Some buildings and places in Karachi are old and some are new. Well, this is not the case that everything has been changed. All of the buildings, the old buildings have been changed. No, there are some old buildings as well, old things as well in Karachi. Let's see. This is one of the new building. It says that Techno City building. This is one of the new building. And if we talk about the old building, Karachi Port Trust building, this is one of the old building which has been over there and it is still being used, right? Okay, so a few pictures have been shared in your this as well, right? Now before ending the class, I want you to search about some more pictures about how Karachi looks like before and how it is now. Search it on Google. We have discussed it, we have learned it in our computing class, that how we can search about something on Google, right? So just search it out and let me know that what are some interesting facts that you have come to know about it. Hurry up. All of you are done. Okay, class, that was all for today. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we will be ending this topic and then we will move forward. So, do revise it at your home and learn about some more interesting facts about Karachi as well and share it with me in tomorrow's class. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.